Hi, this is Christopher Sparrow for iTechGear.org, and I've got yet another unboxing for the Gadget Discovery Club. This will make item number 4 in this unboxing series. So, to be honest, I have opened it, and we're just going to go ahead and just flip the top on this. It came in just a plain envelope covering, all right, and the box was not taped shut, so it was very easy for me to get into this time around. This time, I'm not so sure about this particular device from Gadget Discovery Club, and honestly, it may, unfortunately, be the end of the Gadget Discovery Club and iTechGear.org. I don't know yet. I'm still out to lunch on it. Out of 4 items that they've sent, there's really been only one that I've really kind of been interested in, and it was last month's AR glasses. This month I have what they are calling a music light sleep machine. So this box I have not pulled open at all. I haven't seen anything in it. So let's just go ahead, we'll open it up and we'll take a look. All right, so item, and on the bottom of the box, I have a what appears to be a micro USB cable for charging, and a music light sleep machine manual. All right, so let's take a little bit of a look at this, and we'll see what's going on. All right, the item is called the Q1. It's got 5 buttons: a power button, play, pause, timer, LED, breathing light button, previous sound button, etc. The machine has 9 sounds: white noise, sea waves, cricket sound, rain sound, forest bird sound, stream sound, and 3 pieces of lullabies. So this is not what I would consider to be a Bluetooth related product. This is not going to play some level of music or some kind of streaming music from any device that you might own. This has got its own deal built in, and this is why, in my opinion, this is a loser for this month. It will go ahead and provide you with some level of breathing, sort of calming kind of breathing guide or guidance, all right, through its breathing light function. Sound machine will remember the last sound timer as well as the volume and automatically restore your previous volume sound and timer next time. It's a good companion when you are sleeping, taking naps, or relaxing, meditating, concentrating while studying, or working. Now, what I can tell you, from a white noise perspective, this might be if you've got something that you need to go ahead and do, and you need something in the background to sort of drown out all the little whatevers that might be distracting, white noise is a really great tool that you can go ahead and use to help you concentrate. What is white noise? If you have ever seen snow on a TV or television screen, and the sound that goes along with it, that is called white noise. It's called white noise partially because of the white image that you see on a TV station, all right, or on a TV set that isn't tuned in properly. All right, and this machine, and we'll take a look to pull it out of the bag and so you can see it, is what provides that. Now, there are buttons along the top here. It's square. It looks about to be the size of maybe a 3 or 4 inch square. Some sort of light that'll go ahead and do your breathing. All right, shines on the ceiling. You follow along with the light. All right. It will do play, pause. It'll do some timing. There are numbers and buttons here on the bottom, or not buttons, but pinholes on the bottom. It'll go for 15, 30, or 60 minutes and play that specific sound, lullaby, or breathing lights for that long so that you can go ahead, concentrate, relax, calm. All right. Some folks may see this as a winner. I'm not sold yet. All right. The box is fairly lightweight. There doesn't seem to be a lot to it. There is a single micro USB charging port in the back, so the cord plugs here. You plug this into someplace that you can go ahead and charge with, and then you hit it on and off here. Let's see if this thing has got any kind of charge. It does. All right. Your crickets. That's the white noise. That's the white noise that I was talking about. This would be great just to go ahead, sit over in the office somewhere, and then you can go ahead and just have it going in the background. Helps you block out other things so you can concentrate on the task at hand. All right. Those are waves, believe it or not. It's crashing wave. All right. Birds in a forest, right? Lapping water. And then the music again. And that's all that it really, really does. All right. The light, you can see that's a blue light. It'll go ahead and all it does is shine on and off when you push the light button. It doesn't necessarily do anything else yet. I'll take a look here, and if I've got anything else, I'll include it in the write-up on for the unboxing video on the site. But yeah, I got not much of anything. The bottom on the button is for timing, and you can set a timer on here for how long you want it to go before it turns itself off. Speaker on the bottom. All right. And that's about it. Not really enthused with this one. This one I'm not, not all that great. Not all that excited about. The white noise seems to be about the most attractive feature for me. But to be very, very honest, not something that I'm ever really going to use. All right? Not something that I'm ever really going to use. And this is, again, $32. So this is Christopher Spera from itechgear.org with the latest entry from the Gadget Discovery Club, the Q1 Music Light Sleep Machine.